they are still dancing in all kinds of swing dance social. So we're gonna demo our little routine.
So guys, dito tayo sa Central. Nanonood ng jazz music with a dance. Ayan, nanonood tayo ng mga sayaw. Jazz music.
Okay, so can we ask you guys to maybe we do 1 2 1 2. So we are gonna assign you a number. Just remember for now. So you're 1.
1 to daw. Ayan, pag magaling ka sa ano,
So you're gonna
hilig mo
do
talagang
anyways.
sumayaw.
1
Magaling.
2. Yes.
Makukuha mo kagad ang
What?
steps.
Yes. So can I ask number 2 to face to stand in front of number 1, and you're gonna form the inner circle.
Like this, face to face.
Yeah. So number 2 on the inside, number 1 on the outside. Yes. Okay.
Ayan, hinila yung ano.
Close up the circle. Everyone is get closer.
Yung ating kababayan. Si Boy.
Okay, so we're gonna teach
Torres
them
siguro yan,
the
guys.
step of housing. We're gonna apply this step
Hindi yan Pinoy. Hindi yan Pinoy.
Pinoy.
Looks like this.
Pinoy ba?
Pinoy yung bata.
Yun pa may Pinoy. Di ba Pinoy yan? Simple ang steps.
1, 2. 1, 2.
Okay, so everyone
Wala na kanyang
will grab your
sintas.
right leg. So you guys can face us for now. So we will take
Yan
our
ang
right leg,
kanilang sayaw.
make a touch,
Sayaw, sayaw. Dapat mga Pinay na lang ang sasayaw.
and then use your left leg, touch forward, and
Pinay
step
ba? Hindi
back.
naman eh.
So it goes like
Ano yan?
step,
Malis na nga yung mga Pinay.
step, back and forward, forward and back.
Ayun ang
Back
Pinay oh.
and forward, forward and back.
Malis nga
Back
sila.
and forward, forward and back. Nice, nice, nice. So it would be great if we can have some kind of have some bounce in our body, because that's what the music tells us to do. So let's try the basic
Salamat. Hey! Tulak.
5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2.
5, 6, 7, 8. Touch. Step. Touch. Step. Back and forward and forward and back. And last.
Simple
Forward,
lang.
forward and back. Nice, nice, nice. So we can try this basic
Tapos iano mo yung katawan.
Simple steps.
We just do the basic together.
Ayan.
Ewan kung bakit may mga ganito rito.
Kumpas,
Dito
kumpas.
kami sa Central. May mga pa-showing sila. Tingnan niyo siya.
1 and 2. And 1 and 2. And 1 and 2. And 1 and 2. Nakakatawa naman to guys, no? Ayan, ang ganda ng, ano,
So we're going to do the exact same thing. So right leg back, forward, left leg, forward and back. And then this time we would like to add something in the other parts of our body. So we can do something with our hands, with our elbow, with our fingers. So we can choose a style what you like to say to your partner. How are you feeling today? So you can communicate with your body. So let's try one more time with music and let's dance with your partner this time. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And last one.
Go, go,
Very
go!
good.
Ayan, guys. Ayan, thank you so much for watching this video here in Central's Hong Kong. And with the different dancing steps. This is your Pangyao Perla Flores 9571. Please subscribe to my channel. And happy Sunday, everyone. God bless. Bye-bye.
Yes. Let's try.